You have a low-end machine? Runs so slow on Windows? I got a solution for you. Lubuntu, based on Ubuntu. Fast and lightweight. And most importantly, it's can basically run on anything, even on a Raspberry Pi. Guys, I know, it's based on Ubuntu. Not that interesting for a lot of people, but if it can save your old machine from collecting dust and being unusable, you wouldn't mind. So what we're waiting for? Let's just get right into it. Ladies and gents, welcome back again for a new video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Lubuntu, the Linux distribution that aims to be as lightweight as possible. Let's just see how it's going to perform. I'm going to go through the installation thingy and everything and just give my honest opinion about it, even though I'm not going to be trying this on real hardware, because currently I don't have a side machine that I don't really use and that I can mess around with, but in the future I will try to provide that as well. But for now, we're just going to stick to that virtual machine we have. I'm going to be using Oracle VirtualBox over here. Wait, yeah, I already pre-created the virtual machine just to save some time. And also thing that I want to take a look at, besides the fact that it's going to run on a Raspberry Pi, you can come over here and we can see that it only needs an Intel Pentium 3. Are you kidding me? An Intel Pentium 3. That's awesome. So you tell me that's can run on anything. Memory 384 megabytes? I mean, come on. Hard drive capacity 20 gigs? Not that bad. And processor speed 800 megahertz. Really interesting if it can run on an Intel Pentium 3, even though you cannot really do that much with an Intel Pentium 3. Even when it comes to surfing the net or something, it's not even capable of doing that anymore. But you know what? Skip all that shit and let's just get right into the installation. So try or install Lubuntu. Yes, I will try and install Lubuntu. Black screen. Oh, now we got Lubuntu 25.04. But it says DRM error. Please switch to a supported graphic device to avoid problems. So it's working. I thought it's not gonna load, but apparently it does work. Select your language, United States, Internet connection, Ethernet. So yeah, this is a virtual machine, so of course Ethernet. Install Lubuntu. Yes. Now it's gonna load the installer. Welcome to Lubuntu installer. American English. Next. Next. And next. Normal installation, minimal installation. Only the desktop environments. Web browser, utilities, office, software, games, and media players. Oh, damn. Next. We got raised desk. We got manual partitioning. You think I'm gonna partition my desk myself? Hell no. Raised desk. Next. Yeah. Alright, full name. Jason. Jason VirtualBox? No. Jason Shitbox. Password. We got password. And now repeat the password. Your password does not match. Says ooh. No, it absolutely does match. It looks like it's matched for me. Okay, let me just try that again. Oh, okay. I think I'm tripping right now. Alright, here you go. Let's just repeat that over here. Alright, so login as use Active Directory. What that mean? For a single domain or three and more servers up to multiple domains and servers. I don't understand anything. Close. Next. Location, keywords, partition, everything looks fine. Install. Install? No. Don't ask me again. Install. Alright, it's installing. Pretty quick and easy. Oh yeah, I can keep switching those pages. Older, slower hardware provide a superior performance on the latest machine. However, you're looking at the code. Doesn't matter. Lubuntu comes loaded with sure where to start. Looking for an app, but not sure where to start? Lubuntu gets plenty of extra apps available in the Discover store. Most of them free and open source, of course, at Linux. Default desktop feel and drafts, customize it. The LXQT desktop is quite flexible and can be tweaked to look and function better for you. 2 panels, blah 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 blah, whatever. Having problems, Lubuntu users can find free. Volunteers provide tech supports. Doesn't matter. We hope you enjoy using Lubuntu. The installation process, let me finish reading. Should finish soon. Oh, that's gonna be boring. Really boring.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Installation is done. Maybe another cup of coffee? I'm not sure, but okay, that's gonna be my last one.
2 hours later.
It's been around 2 hours, and all of that for just a cup of coffee? That's crazy. Anyways, let's just get back to work. So, this is the first time it's gonna boot after the installation, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do with that thing. Powered by Lubuntu. How nice. I like the animation, actually. Not gonna lie. Oh, man. I don't like this login screen, I'm gonna be honest. Let's just log in, and we're in Ubuntu. Ubuntu or Lubuntu, I'm sorry. So what can I do with that? Oh, there is a Lubuntu update. No interested in any updates right now. But look at the desktop environment. I like it. Simple and beautiful. You can like take it as a combination between XFCE and KDE. So like this one is something in the middle. Wait, can I actually do NeoFetch? Like that's the first thing I would like to do. All right. Oh, no, that's not the way I want it to be. Wait, why does it look a bit messed up? NeoFetch is deprecated, run FastFetch instead. Oh, okay. FastFetch. Oh, that looks cool. All right. Let me just place that in the side. Oh, wait, does it? What? Oh, I was trying to like mess around with that one. I ended up messing with my other screen. All right. Okay, never mind. So that's not something that exists in a LSQT, right? Let me just place that over here for the thumbnail. Does it look good? Let me just make it a bit small. No. Small. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Yeah, okay. Place this over here. That looks nice because icons actually doesn't match with the color of the terminal. So let's change the wallpaper actually. Let's change it to something like background. No, something and I don't know. Appearance. Oh, how blind of me. Oh, a lot of themes actually. Wait, I gotta change the wallpaper first. But why can't I? Yeah, wait. Use wallpaper provided with theme. Apply. Okay. Oh, that's nice. What is this? Apply. Wow, that looks nice actually. Wait, the resolution. I'm not really a big fan of the settings monitor. Yeah, change that thing to 1920 by 1080. Much better. Now, what is actually happening? Being serious. Oh, that's much better. Close. And now let's mess around a little bit with Lubuntu. Let's try this one. Oh, wow. Okay. So that's the one I already chosen before, right? What about that one? Looks nice. There's that one. I think it's like an Ubuntu one, no? Yeah, the colors and everything. Arch colors. I'm a big fan. That's where I like. Fonts. Do we have any? We got font name Ubuntu. Oh. Can I go with something like this? I don't know. No, it looks a bit small. What about special? No, that one? I don't know, man. There's a lot of them. That's it? Oh, no, there's more. I know, which one should I use? Seriously, I'm gonna just take that one. Okay, perfect. Cursor, doesn't matter. GT key style, whatever. Oh, okay. What about that? So there's like, what is that? The icons, yeah. Okay, there is a lot of options actually. Apply. Nothing changed though. Why? Oh, okay. Nope, nothing actually. Oxygen, I like that one. But you know what? It doesn't match. It says arch, but like this is not arch. So I will choose something else. But how can I change the wallpaper though? Can I change the wallpaper somewhere in here? Wallpaper. Desktop. Icon, background. Can I make it black? Browse. So those are the images. What about that one? What is this? Ooh, any other wallpapers? Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Sideshow, advanced. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep those like that. Cancel. We got Firefox. So it comes pre-installed with Firefox. Let's open that thing up. It's not gonna be the responsive actually because this is a virtual machine and my machine itself is slow. So if it makes sense to you, but on real hardware, that thing gonna be mint. Like they're gonna be fast as hell. Close. And here we got like virtual desktop and stuff. Games. We got a game. Wanna play some games? Oh, I don't know how to even play that game. Yeah, what is even this? Doesn't matter. Oh damn, I changed the icons and now they're not really that clear to see. Maybe this was a mistake to change the theme. TX info. What is this, man? Shell number 1. Okay. Yes. LXQT system tools. QPS. What's this? Oh, wow. Oh, that looks nice, man. Actually, let me try to change the theme. No, seriously. Appearance. Yeah, and then themes. Nah, looks horrible. What about the icons? Yeah, change the icons to those ones of Ubuntu or whatever. What is even that? The icons are still the same. What the hell? Oh, okay. Much better. Yeah. I will stick to that one. But I like that thing, not gonna lie. What's that? Shitsbox? Oh yeah, that's my shitsbox over here. We get graphics. It comes with 1x image QT. Open that thing. That's basically an image viewer. Doesn't matter. We got graphics and then LibreOffice Draw, then screen grab, some screenshots application. Yeah, save that thing somewhere. What about that? Save? Very good. Yeah, wanna make some calculations? I'm bad at maths. Education, fat or bad. Lightweight Qt text editor. We got LXQT file archiver. What file manager we're using? Lubuntu updates, Bluetooth manager. It's got Bluetooth interface. That wasn't a thing in the past, actually, right? What's else? Oh, it comes pre-installed with VLC Media, the LibreOffice thingy also. What makes that distribution special? Is this only the performance or is something else? I mean, it's snappy, looks good because it's LXQT desktop environments. I like that. But what makes this special? Seriously. I'm trying to give my honest opinion over here. If I reduce the RAM, will that make any difference? So they said that the minimum required is 300 something megabytes of RAM, right? First I will try it with 1 gigabyte of RAM. Let's see. All right, it's doing okay. It's booting. So before it was like quick, but now, what about now? Okay, so it's still booting. All right, and we're in the desktop. Let me just log in and see how my experience is going to be now. Is it going to be as snappy as before, or it's going to be slow? So let's just try to open Firefox and see. Okay, it's taking a bit too long now. Oh, this actually taking a bit too long on 1 gigabyte. All right, finally, can I do multitasking? Open multiple tabs and see what will happen. Look how sluggish the system became. So it's taken 590 megabytes out of 1 gigabytes because of all those tabs that are open in Firefox. Interesting. Go to Google in that one. What happened? 600. Open YouTube in this one over here. Yes, it's gonna load. It's loading, ladies and gents. Memory 600, still at 600, but this one is laggy. All right, BMW or something. Oh, still snappy, bro. The hell? Okay, it's at 700 right now. Can you just open more YouTube tabs? Oh, now it's sluggish. No. Now it's barely working. We're running out of memory. Can I just duplicate tab and duplicate it again and again? It's going wild right now. Look at this. 700. Almost like it's 900. 800, bro. I think it's crashed. Did it? It's actually crashed. Well, Firefox crashed, but this one is still working and showing everything. 815 megabytes. So really so close. And if I open one more tab, which basically I can now, that thing will crash. And that's it. So is it recommended in 1 gigabyte of memory? No. But is it recommended in 500 megabytes memory? I don't know. We gotta find out. Wait. Power off the machine. Come over here. And then the memory, it's at 100, right? It's 1 gigabyte. Now we're gonna lower it down to 256 megabytes. It's booting. 256 megabytes of RAM. Is this even gonna try to boot? Well, apparently it's booting, so that's good. But it's taking longer. Way longer. Alright, we gotta be patient. It's not booting. It's struggling because 256 megabytes is like, what do you expect? We got black screen. Like, apparently it's like really struggling to load anything because on idle it was around 300, 400 megabytes. And now literally I gave it the maximum of 256 and we got black screen. Oh, we got login screen. Wait, bro, what the hell? Can you type the password? Let me just enter the desktop environment, please. Like, I typed the password a long time ago. Okay, finally it showed up. Right, can I click on answer? All right, boots. No. It's not working. 256 megabytes is not enough. Ladies and gents, you got your answer. No. Login failed, so I have to enter the password again? This is horrible. You know what? No, let's just power off that shit and literally make it around 400. 400, yeah? Bro, it's really taking so long. I don't know about you guys, but like, I don't believe that somebody will actually use that thing on a laptop with 400 megabytes of RAM. I mean, it will work. For me, it's not working and there is not even the loading screen. If the recommended specs for that thing is around like 400 megabytes of RAM, why mine is not booting? So is that a lie? Nothing. Literally nothing on the screen. Like, I'm trying to actually just log into my shit and it not letting me. Yeah, this is horrible. Nothing, a black screen. So the first lie is that the minimum requirements is wrong. Completely wrong. Not accurate at all. But let's just give it 1 gigabyte. Just like before, it's gonna work. Look, take a look at that. There you go, look. It's gonna start booting straight away. Just give it a minute. You see? Whoever said that the minimum requirements is around 300 to 400 megabytes of RAM, that's completely inaccurate, bro. That's wrong. Like, at least 1 gigabytes. There you go. Works just fine. And you know what? I'm not gonna change this back to 8 gigabytes. Just leave it like that. Yeah, completely usable. I can like click on something. Yeah, absolutely. That's nice. See, snap even on 1 gigabyte. So if you want to run that thing, have at least 1 gigabyte of RAM. Let's just close Firefox. I don't really know what's special about this. Still to this moment, I'm talking and recording this video. I still don't find anything special about that. Of course, there's other Linux distributions that are lightweight, just like this one, for example, Void Linux. If you haven't tried that one, you can give it a try. It's super lightweight. It can also run on your low-end machine. machine perfectly fine. And this one is just, we could say, another one of those lightweight distribution, but it's based on Ubuntu. That's really it. You can imagine it as like Ubuntu, but on steroids. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, let me know your opinion in the comments about this Linux distribution. I'll be really happy to know. See you in the next one.